Literacy Training Service. Education for Sustainable Development. Literacy is fundamental to achieving sustainable development goals. LTS addresses educational disparities, fostering inclusive and equitable learning environments. The objectives of this program is to improve literacy rates among marginalized community, enhance educational quality and accessibility, empower individuals for sustainable livelihoods, promote environmental awareness and stewardship. Their achievements are increased literacy rates, 30% improvements among targeted communities, educational infrastructure, establishment of 10 community learning centers, community engagement with 5,000 participants in environmental awareness workshops. LTS has made significant strides in promoting literacy sustainable development. Continuous support and collaboration will ensure long-term success. Resource exploitations refers to the sustainable or unfair utilization of natural resources, labor, or capital, often resulting in environmental consequences. 1. Depletion of renewable and non-renewable resources. The examples are deforestation and overfishing. Pollution like air, water, and soil. Loss of biodiversity and climate change. Social consequences on labor exploitation. Examples are child labor, low wages. And 2 is the displacement of indigenous communities. 3. Human rights violation and unequitable distribution of benefits. Economic consequences, unequal resource distribution, market instability, economic inequality, dependence on non-renewable resources. Types of resource exploitation. 1 is the natural resource exploitation. Over-extraction of resources like water, minerals, and forests and fisheries, like harvesting more fishes than the demand of the people. Labor exploitation, unfair treatment of workers, including low wages, long working hours, and poor working conditions. 3. Financial exploitation, unfair financial practices such as usury, predatory lending, and corrupt financial dealings. 4 is cultural exploitation, appropriation of traditional knowledge, cultural heritage, and intellectual property. The environmental impact of resource exploitations are deforestation and habitat destructions, leading to loss of biodiversity and ecosystem disruption. Water pollution, contaminating water resources, affecting human health and aquatic life. 3. Climate change, contributing to the greenhouse gas emission and global warming. Soil degradation, reducing fertility and affecting agricultural productivity. Social impacts, displacement of communities, forced relocation to resource extraction, human rights violation, exploitation of workers, indigenous peoples, and vulnerable groups. 3. Health impacts, exposure to pollutants, toxic substances, hazardous working conditions, and cultural erosion. Cultural erosion, loss of traditional practices, languages, and cultural heritage. The economic impacts of resource exploitation is equitable distribution of benefits, profits concentrated among a few individuals or corporations, economic instability, boom and bust cycles, inflation, and economic dependence. Loss of livelihoods, destruction of traditional industries and occupations, corruption, embezzlement, bribery, and illicit financial flows.